Hello, my name is Neira. I work as a front-end developer and UI UX designer at YOUNiQ at Precise Biometrics. As you might have heard, YOUNiQ is a facial recognition software used in access system solutions. Simply speaking, that means that cameras are installed in front of entrances which unlock if you have access. To get the system running in an organization, an installation setup is required. We have installers that go on site, set up a physical server, or as we often call it, a device, and wire all of the locks and cameras together. In addition to that, all of the wiring has to be written in a file on the server where all IP addresses, credentials, and settings need to be saved. We knew this installation could be improved, and that is why a year ago my team and I started planning and developing the new admin platform for YOUNiQ. Our remote configuration enables a, completely remote configuration of the system. The only thing that needs to be done on site is for all of the hardware to be wired, and the rest can be done through the admin platform anywhere in the world. It starts with the pairing process for the device, and then configuring cameras and setting up the access system in question, like our own YOUNiQ access or an external access system like RCO, ARCS, or Genetic. Everything is done through a simple design where you can view, add, delete, and edit all of the parts of the configuration, and it's propagated to the device on site almost instantaneously. This means a faster and easier setup, and we really think that this will enhance your experience with YOUNiQ.
Okay, hello guys. Today I will go through how to set up a remote configuration, a remote device through the new YOUNiQ admin platform. I have opened here the admin platform. I have signed in to a organization and it is currently set up in Lund. We have a camera and a web relay and the device already connected. Everything is prepared, so the only thing for us left to do is to actually do the configuration here on the platform and pair everything up the way we want it to be paired. So what I will start by doing is to press here pair new device. I will open it here. So the first instruction we get is to connect the device to with an Ethernet cable. So it is already done. So I will press next. Now I will add a device. The first thing I need to do is to enter the name of the device. So I will write Lund device. The next thing is to add a device secret. The device secret can be found on the side of the device and it will come printed out on the physical machine. So I have it already copied, so I will just paste it in here. The next thing for us to do is to press next and the pairing will start. So it says pairing Lund device with the device secret that we can see here. This can take up to 3 minutes. It usually goes faster than that, but it is just the waiting time for us to see when it is connected. So we will wait. And here we see it is successfully created and it's connected. We can see that we have a device ID. We can see the status of it. We can also do some things as editing the JSON configuration manually, and we can rename the device. But yeah, that's it. We can see it's connected and it's up and ready for it to be configured. So the next thing that we will do is to add a camera. We can see that the device is selected here, so we'll go to new camera. I will name it hub camera, since that's what we have in Lund, a hub. And now I will add the URL. That is something that is already written out. It has an IP address and has credentials for it. So I'm just pasting it in here. I'm not going to change any of the like additional configurations, but you can do it if you want to. And I will press create. And yeah, now we have a camera. So the next thing to do is to add the web relay. So I will go in and actually first create the YOUNiQ access system. which is here. So I'm choosing unique access. We don't have any zones in this organization, so I will start by adding a zone. I'm just going to call it main zone, and I will create unique access. Now I have the organization with the zones in here. I have an overview of it, so I can see all of the different zones. I can create new ones. I can edit this one or delete it. But for now, I'm going to go back to the access systems and go into the device configuration. We can see that we don't have any door controllers or entrances, but I will go in and configure that now. So first off, I'm going to add the single relay. So I'm going to name it Lund Web Relay. The URL I have in here. The password is just web relay. And I'm going to set the duration for how long the door is going to be unlocked to 20 seconds, just for now, just to see it. So I'm going to press create. Now what I can do is to go into the details. I can see all of the information that I've done, like that I've entered. I can edit it, I can delete it. If something changes or I want to rename it, I can do that as well. And now I'm going to go and create an entrance. I'm going to name the entrance hub entrance. I'm going to choose the zone that it belongs to, and it's the main zone that we just created. Now we have the camera. I'm going to choose the hub camera that we added and the web relay. And now we have the entrance. All of this, as soon as we get the toaster, it is up and running on the device. The device configuration is updated with all of these things that we're doing, and it's actually on the physical device. Okay, so now we're going to go to remote unlock. And now we're on remote unlock. We can now see all of our entrances on this device. We can see that it's the hub entrance and it's the main zone. So I will press unlock and we can see a confirmation modal to just make sure that it's the right entrance on the right device. And I will press unlock and hopefully the door will open. And we can see that it was opened. Great. So now the next thing we will do is to add a user. Okay, and we will add Hedvig. I will press add. I will add her as a permanent user and add a zone permission. I will add the main zone and give her access all days and 24 hours. Press save, and we will send an invitation. So now she's getting an invitation on her email. She will, through that email, take a picture and register, and she will be added here in the system. And now when she approaches the camera, she should be able to unlock that door too. And it worked. Great. So we can now also go to the activity logs where we can see the access. So we can see here that she opened the camera in the hub here. Great. And I think that's it. We can now go in and add more users, more zones, more cameras, and more entrances and door controllers. And yeah, I think that's it.
For more information on YOUNiQ, go to precisebiometrics.com.